What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode again. Saucy, and I'm super pumped because it's Taco Tuesday, and I'm going to show you guys how to make cheese shell tacos. So they're keto friendly and paleo friendly and blah blah. Listen, it's a cheese shell for your taco. Make it. Okay, guys. So you already know I'm at Gerhardt's Appliances in Glenside. I could be at any one of our 5 locations in the Philadelphia area. So see if you can catch me. I have our GE oven heating right here. It's their modern glass collection, and it's way doper than yours. It preheats super fast. It's got a ton of programmed recipes, and it basically cooks for you. So why don't you have one? Come down and see me and we'll get you one. So what I am working with today for our cheese shells is cheddar. Plus cheddar is better. So good. So we're gonna take half a cup of our cheddar cheese, and we are going to simply take a baking sheet lined with parchment and put a few of our cheese shells on it. So this is a full cup measure, and inside I have a half a cup. I'm just gonna go ahead and dump that right in. We're gonna get it on. So our parchment does not need to be sprayed down. The parchment itself will do it for you. Don't be sloppy like me. There you go. Make it into a nice little cheese shell for yourself. Then we're gonna do another half a cup of cheddar. Now I have my GE oven preheating to 350 degrees. Get yours preheating too, because it takes forever. Because you don't have GE modern glass. Alright, so we're going to put these in our 350 degree preheated oven for 6 minutes, and then I will see you on the other side. Okay guys, so our cheese is cooled a little bit, enough for us to pick up off of our parchment, and what I have in front of me is a rolling pin, and I'm simply going to cover it in a little bit of tin foil, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take your cheese shell and you're going to lay it right over it, and that is what is going to create our taco shell shape. So I'm simply going to pick him up. I'm gonna lay them across, and we're gonna let them dry for like this for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, it's been about 10 minutes and our cheese shells are set. So chef's trick, if it's a regular taco or a cheese shell taco, stick a little lime wedge underneath the side of your taco in order to keep it propped up while you're filling it, okay? So what I'm gonna add to my tacos is a little bit of baby romaine. I'm gonna put it in the bottom. Again, chef's trick. Why? Because that's gonna absorb any of the grease from your ground beef or whatever protein you may be putting in. So just a little bit of baby romaine on the bottom. I have in front of me just some chicken breast sauteed in butter. And I'm going to, yes, with my fingers, put a few pieces in there. Ugh, you guys, this looks so good already. I'm super excited, you have no idea. All right, I'm putting extra chicken because Chef Cheryl's greedy. You put as much protein as you would like. Boom. That's how I like mine, okay? Let's take a peek at that. Now, on top of that, am going to add a little bit of our avocado. I have an avocado sliced and ready for you because avocado is life. So we're gonna add some avocado right to the top of that. All right, I said something that was a lot, it's fine. So we're gonna add some avocado straight in. Then we are going to top with a little bit of sour cream. I literally stopped mid-sentence because it looked so delicious to me. All right, so we're gonna put our sour cream right on top. A little bit of extra cheddar for a little color and flavor. We're gonna add a little more cheddar on top, and then of course the piece de resistance, bacon. So I'm gonna add some bacon to the top of mine. Feel free to not add bacon to yours, or definitely add bacon to yours. It's so good. All right, so you can give it a little squeeze with your lime now and make it a perfect little taco. Gorgeous. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed these cheese shell tacos as much as I did. They're absolutely delicious, and as soon as this camera goes off, I'm consuming both of them. So I hope you come down and see me. I'm at Gerhardt's Appliances in Glenside. I'm also in our Malvern location, our Ardmore location, so pop by and see if we can get together and talk the best recipes, tips, and tricks for your new appliances. And until I see you guys the next time, like and subscribe. Do it. Hit that bell. Do it. And then I will see you guys again. And until then, stay saucy. Bye.